All right, I have revised these cabinets. Just wanted to show you the 3D version of it. So this is your side. This section will be covered up by the shoe cab. No pull down. So nothing has changed on this wall. The shoe wall, finished wood top here, and the long hanging side. An option to maybe better utilize this, again, this is the shoe cabinet covering up the side. So behind this will just be a blank panel. But if we put some drawers in here, that would be 15 inches deep. Purse storage here, long hanging on this side. On the other side, if we did, again, this is the section covered up by the shoes, the safe here behind two doors. This hinges down. That here, let's look at it this way. So that hinges on the bottom for the hamper, and then that safe would be sitting in here. And as far as the hampers, something like this. So when you tilt the door open, and then for the fly this by you, we did the closet rod that looks like this. I'm sure you're okay with, but just flying it by you. So if we put the safe on this side, I thought about putting it here, but if we put doors, right now this drawer stack is the same height as your side. So if we're on his side now, we'd have to make this drawer stack taller. So the bottom of the drawer is above this. But even if we make it 2 inches above that, he's not going to be able to set anything on this when that door's open, because it's just going to wipe it off. So that's why I'm thinking to put the safe on this side. So we don't have any closet rod on this side. Hamper, two doors on this cab, safe, and just adjustable shelving and some more drawers in here. His shoe storage, and then the hanging side. And again, this is covered up by the shoe cab. Okay, let me know. Thanks.